The orchard has always been a gift to our village. We must not let the magic fade. I will journey to the enchanted forest and seek the tree of life for our land and our people.
Eamon, the magic that once nourished your orchard is fading because the village has forgotten to honor the spirit of the land. Only by restoring this connection can the enchantment return.
You have come seeking to restore what was lost. The magic of the orchard will be renewed, but only if your people learn to cherish and protect the land as they once did. Ad body te Eamon, I believe in the magic of the orchard. I'll help the villagers understand how important it is to take care of it. We can do this together. XD.
Embarks excitedly, wagging his tail, as if to say, we can do this. Eamon, I'll protect you on this journey.
The wisdom of the past must guide our future. We have forgotten our bond with the land, but it is not too late. We must listen to Eamon and work together to restore what we've lost. I didn't believe in the magic before, but I see now that it's real. I promise I'll help protect the orchard. Eamon, we all will.
I didn't believe in the magic before, but I see now that it's real. I promise I'll help protect the orchard, Eamon. We all will.
This orchard is a treasure beyond measure, not just for its fruit, but for the lesson it has taught us all. From this day forward, let it be known that this land is sacred, and its magic shall be preserved.